Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a day in the life for you. This video is going to be slightly different than it usually is because, like I always say, not every day is the same. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I always start my day off with coffee, and today I am drinking my Revital U coffee. This stuff is amazing. Take joy, my King, in what you hear. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ear. So normally after I drink my coffee, I like to start my day by making my bed. But today I wanted to do something a little different, and I do this a few times a week. So I like to start, before I do anything else, I like to do this little hair treatment. This is the Grow New Hair from Just Nutritive, Just Natural company. So you can actually put this stuff in your hair and leave it on for a few hours, or you can use it overnight in your hair. But sometimes I like to just do it in the daytime so it can sit in my hair and soak in as I clean and all that fun stuff. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just showing you that I started my day a little differently by starting my hair treatment instead of making my bed first. Also, if you're interested in this product, I will post my other videos down below so you can learn more about it. I've got tutorials and reviews and all that fun stuff. So just check the description after you're done with this video. Now listen, I don't know about you northerners, but us southerners, we don't handle cold weather too well. So I'm cutting on this heater because I am freezing, girl, and I cannot clean while I'm cold. So anyways, this is my little mess that I'm working with here, but I'm about to clean it up, okay? And those pumpkins, they needed to go in the trash like days ago, but they've been sitting there rotten, okay? Anyways, that was the shoe graveyard. This is my bedroom, and yeah, I need to pick up all this garbage first. Those are dryer sheets that like to just lay everywhere in my home. But okay, anyways, so I'm gathering up all of my little garbage so I can throw it away. So now that I've picked up all my little garbages around my room, it's time to get this bed made. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some new things that I've been using in my home. The first thing I want to show you guys is this humidifier. I've never owned a humidifier before, but I've always wanted one. So this is a humidifier from the brand Victsing. It's an ultrasonic humidifier. It has nightlight option. It's got an LCD display. It's got a cleaning brush that it comes with in case you want to clean your little tank out. It's got a timer button, an adjustable knob, and this thing is everything I had hoped it would be. So if you've never used a humidifier before, it's really easy to use. You pretty much just take your little tank and fill it up with water. And yes, I'm using tap water because my water ain't that bad, but you're supposed to use like, you know, better water, but whatever, this is gonna work just fine. So a humidifier is supposed to add moisture to the air, which can benefit dry skin or respiratory problems, allergies, dry and cracked lips, which I always have, It also helps with dry throat or airways, and it helps with coughing and irritated eyes and all that. But you know what? Since I do run the heater a lot in the winter because I'm always cold, I really needed this thing because my skin gets so dry, especially my lips. They're always chapped. So I've been using this humidifier from Victsing, and I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed with it. So I'm going to post a link down below so you guys could check it out if you're interested in getting one. And don't forget, in this upcoming Black Friday, Victsing is going to have some really good deals on Amazon. So bookmark it, girl. So my bathroom ain't too bad today. Just got some clothes on the floor and all that. So I'm going to clean it a little, but I ain't going deep clean. But I am going to spray some bleach up in the bathtub and let that soak for a little bit. Then I'm going to wipe it up later. Well, now that my bedroom is done, it's time to move on to the next room. And okay, I need to deal with these shoes. We got shoes all over. I don't know. We really like shoes, so we just like to keep quite a few pairs sitting around. Look at all my black shoes. Why do I have so many black shoes sitting out here? I got these little soft ones. I got these Uggs sitting out here. I guess I just like to wear black shoes every day. I just got these shoes from Shoe Dazzle. I swear, they are covered in mud, and I tried to clean the mud off, and I feel like they're ruined now. They were brand new shoes, but I had to walk in mud the other day, so they got nasty. Yeah, and then I got these little riding boots. I probably need to get a different color shoe. Yeah, but I do like black. So anyways, now I'm just going to vacuum up my little entryway here and mop the floor, and then I'm gonna vacuum the rest of the apartment and mop the rest of the floor. Yeah, welcome to a day in the life. Here it is, y'all. So I'm going to show you guys another new product I've been using. This is a handheld vacuum from Homacy. So sometimes I don't really feel like vacuuming the whole floor just because I see a little crumb here and there or a little cat hair, whatever. So this is really nice to have. It is lightweight. It is super powerful. It's easy to use. It's easy to clean out. It's a dry and wet vacuum. It came with an extra filter. It came with a charging base. It came with, you know, like extra attachments, which I really needed, like the one I'm using right here. It cleans up the bird food that gets all over, and it's also really nice to use on my futon because I don't always want to bring that big vacuum over to my futon and then have to use the hose and those attachments because it's kind of hard on my back sometimes. So this is really nice to use. It picks up everything. My futon gets covered in hair, crumbs, lint, whatever. And this little handheld vacuum, it is really good. It really picks up every hair, every crumb. It's even good for picking up litter if you have issues with that. So yeah, I've been using this and I absolutely love it. It also helps me to get places where I can't really reach with the vacuum and I don't feel like moving furniture around. This is really nice for all of that. So now I want to show you guys another new product I just got. This is also from the brand Victsing, which also makes the humidifier. This is my new essential oil diffuser, and you guys know I love essential oils. So this little oil diffuser is actually pretty small, but it's actually very powerful. It made my living room, my kitchen smell amazing. So it's pretty portable. You can put it wherever you want to because of its size. Put it in your bathroom, in your bedroom, living room, wherever. And I'm using this 2-piece oil set from Homacy. It came with peppermint and lavender, but I've been using lavender because lavender helps reduce anxiety, and I need that, girl. But anyways, it's got these LED colors. It's got really nice options. It's got an auto off. It's got a sleep option, a timer option, and the colors, you can have it where it randomly just changes, which is really relaxing, or you can just click the button and choose whatever color you want, which could match your mood or your decor, whatever, or just whatever color you want to pick. I really like that. So yeah, this is really nice. It's powerful, and essential oils are amazing. And this lavender is so good, and it relaxes me, and yeah, I love it. And now it's time to start a load of clothes, my least favorite part of the day. But I want to show you the soap I've been using, girl. This is Sun Triple Clean. This stuff is powerful, and it smells so good, and it's so cheap. I got it from Walgreens. So yeah, you need to go buy some and smell it. Okay, now I'm going to go around my whole apartment and spray this disinfectant spray because I feel like it needs it right now. And now I'm going to have me a little breakfast. I love this bread. It's 12 grain. I think the brand is Arnold or something. The bread is so soft, but it makes really good toast. And I'm going to be putting some butter up on that toast because I love me some butter. But I'm also using my Marmite. I love Marmite. I can't stop eating it. I'm obsessed with it. I crave it. It's delicious. If you haven't tried it, you should. Supposedly some people love it. Some people hate it, and there ain't no in between. But I am someone who absolutely loves it. It's so good. Watch me eat it right here. It's so good. It's different, but it's delicious. Now, I know this is pretty random, but I really been wanting to try this out. I just got all of this stuff in my Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box, and I'm going to be making my own toothpaste right now, okay? It's actually a charcoal toothpaste, which like detoxifies your mouth and whitens your teeth and all that. So, oh, this stuff was so messy though. Literally, it took me hours to clean that charcoal off. So be so careful with charcoal, because it really is messy. But this was pretty fun. It was different. And yeah, I think the toothpaste worked pretty good. I think. But it was fun making it. Whatever. So I literally just got this in the mail like while I was filming. This is from Just Nutritive. I've never used one of their lotions before, so I wanted to get this. I actually just put an order in last week and I got it within a few days. This is the anti-aging facial lotion, and I need anti-aging, so yeah, I'm gonna be trying this out for the first time today. My eye was feeling better, so I put makeup on, but I think I overdid it. Like, I put a lot of makeup on. Anyway, so I've actually been using this lotion for a few days now, and I really like it, and I hope it does what it says it does, because y'all know I'm like up in my 30s, girl, and I need some good anti-aging stuff on this skin. I also wanted to show y'all this new Wet n Wild concealer I just got. I know it's not new, but it's new for me because it was my first time buying it. I was in Target the other day looking around. I was like, I'm going to try this because I know the foundation was good. So the concealer's got to be good too, right? I forget what this one's called, but it was only like $3. And this concealer actually works really good. Okay, so now I'm going to be trying out this Simply Naked Lash Fiber Set. They actually sent it to me complimentary to try. It's Lash Science 3D Fiber Mascara. So I wanted to try it out for the first time in this video. They also gave me a coupon code, which is LadyLuck10, if you want to try it and save some money on your purchase. All you do is apply the transplant gel or mascara gel, whatever. Then you let it dry and then you apply the fibers. I have used a similar product like this before, so I was pretty familiar with how to use it, and it worked pretty well. It did make my lashes look longer, but I didn't actually put enough coats on to make them look thicker, so I'm probably gonna try this out again another day and see if I can get them lashes looking super plump. But overall, this product worked pretty good. It's just the basic, you know, those fiber thingies you put all over your lashes. Pretty easy to use. It was pretty easy to remove, and it did lengthen my lashes a lot because of the little fibers. So off camera, I blow dried my hair and curled it, and here I am looking like Mufasa. Now I'm just showing you guys my final outfit of the day after changing my clothes 100 times. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because Alan just let me know that he's on his way home, and I'm gonna try to talk quickly before the birds start chirping and get really loud and annoying. Yeah, so look at these cute little earrings I have on. I haven't worn these in years, and they're actually my favoriteest earrings. They're like a cream colored yarn. They're like knitted into a heart, and they have like gold speckles in them. And I threw on my baby pink and gold watch and my wedding ring, and I bobby pinned the front of my hair back, and yeah. So anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna wait till Alan gets home, and then of course I'm going to cook din din, and we're gonna eat real good, and then probably just relax for the rest of the night. So I just wanted to end this video real quick and say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Girl, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments down below because I would love to hear from you. And, oh yeah, one more thing. I wanted to announce the giveaway winner for the Girl, Can You Shut Your Mouth? The Revital You coffee. So congratulations to the winner. I'm going to put the clip in right after I get done talking. And the link is down below if you guys want to check out the coffee. The birds aren't going to shut up. So, yeah. I'm going to put the link down to the website and to the Instagram of the account of the girl who hooked me up with the coffee. And, yeah, so congratulations to the winner. I'll see you guys next time. Sorry about the birds, but bird's the word. Okay. All right. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.